This is the moment I was waiting since a long time.
Today it's my birthday. I totally forgot in this whole excitement of visiting this place. Most important question, what I am doing here today on my birthday, why I am here. Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today it's 11th August 2022. It's Raksha Bandhan. So wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan day. And day after tomorrow, it's my birthday. So in order to celebrate it, I'll be going for a trip to UK and I'll be leaving my hostel today on 11th August. On 12th, I'll be in Delhi and on 13th, I'll be in Uttarakhand. Anyway, today it's Raksha Bandhan, so let's put on some Rakhi. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, it looks fine, right? Let's put it on. It looks fine, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. Also, I haven't packed my stuff yet. I'll be going for a 4-day trip and I have done almost no packing. Yeah, I have almost 3 hours left to leave. So without further ado, let's pack my stuff.
So now we are heading towards जबलपुर रेलवे स्टेशन और यहाँ पर ऑटो वाले भैया स्वच्छ भारत मिशन को सफल बनाते हुए एनीवेज आई रीच द स्टेशन ऑलमोस्ट 30 मिनट्स अर्लियर. सो मैं यहाँ पर वही काम करने लगा जो मैं अपने फ्री टाइम में करता हूँ एंड दैट इज़ दाविंची रिजॉल्व के ट्यूटोरियल्स देखना यूट्यूब पर. और यही करते करते मैंने किसी तरह अभी समय काटा एंड नाउ द टाइम हैज़ अराइव्ड टू बोर्ड द ट्रेन. सो लेट्स गो. एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स हज़रत निज़ामुद्दीन रेलवे स्टेशन और यहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है जिस कारण कुछ खास है नहीं दिखाने के लिए. सो विल मीट यू टुमारो. And we are finally in Delhi and heading towards our hotel room.
So yeah, this is the hotel room. Finally reached my hotel. Let me just quickly close it. So yeah, here it is. Quite decent, right? ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है रूम पर, ठीक है, काम चलता है. इसे ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुकना है क्योंकि 4 बजे हमारी ट्रेन है काठगोदाम की. You may be wondering why I am wearing sunglasses. So it's just to hide my awfulness because I have awful hair right now. So sunglasses hides them. That's the truth. Anyways, let me just quickly show you the complete room. Oh, यहाँ पर मेन्यू भी है. मेन्यू देखते हैं कैसा है. I guess it's quite decent. Not too heavily priced. Wait. ठीक ही है। जैसे चिकन तो मैंने छोड़ दिया है, चिकन नहीं खाता हूँ अब। एनीवेज क्वाइट डिसेंट। अभी ऑर्डर करते हैं, देखेंगे क्या खाना है। एनीवेज दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट। होप यू लाइक इट।
And now we are heading towards Old Delhi railway station. यहाँ मैं अपनी ट्रेन का इंतज़ार कर ही रहा था कि मुझे ये प्यारा सा पिजन दिखा जो काफ़ी ओल्ड और सिक टाइप का लग रहा था। मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इसे कुछ पानी पिलाते हैं। इसकी आंखों में ही मैं देख सकता था कि ये काफ़ी सिक है। और इसी दौरान मेरा ट्राइपॉड के साथ मेरा फ़ोन भी जा गिरता है। एनीवेज लेट्स ट्राई अगेन। मैंने इसको पहले दिखाया कि भाई ये पानी ही है जो मैं पी रहा हूँ। तो फिर मैंने ढक्कन में पानी रखा और उसके सामने रख दिया, पर फिर वही हुआ जिसका मुझे डर था। एंड दैट वाज आई वॉज रिजेक्टेड अगेन, एंड दैट समथिंग आई डिडंट लाइक एट ऑल। एनीवेज लाइफ इज़ फुल ऑफ रिजेक्शंस, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट, यू हैव गॉट टू एक्सेप्ट इट। एनीवेज मैं अपनी ट्रेन का फिर से इंतज़ार करने लगा एंड कुछ ही समय में मेरी ट्रेन आ गई। सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड। एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू काठगोदाम। दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम इन उत्तराखंड एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड। एंड लुक वेयर वी आर फाइनली। वी आर इन देवभूमि उत्तराखंड एंड दिस इज़ काठगोदाम रेलवे स्टेशन, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा था बाहर से, अंदर से भी साफ़ सुथरा ही था। एनीवेज नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स कैची धाम। काठगोदाम से कैची धाम की दूरी लगभग 42-43 किलोमीटर्स की है। सो आई बुकड अ कैब फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड यहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा अंधेरा टाइप का था बिकॉज सिर्फ पहाड़ और सिर्फ माउंटेन्स ही है यहाँ पर। एंड दिस इज़ भीमताल लेक विच इज़ लुकिंग वंडरफुल बट इज़ स्कैरी एट द सेम टाइम। वंडरफुल बिकॉज यहाँ पर लाइट्स की रिफ्लेक्शन मैं देख सकता हूँ पानी में, एंड स्केरी बिकॉज इट्स अ लेक वेरी वेरी डीप एंड जस्ट बिसाइड्स वेयर वी आर हेडिंग, दैट्स वाई इट वॉज स्केरी। एनीवेज मिलते हैं आपको कैची धाम में। And finally we are in Kachi. This is the moment I was waiting since a long time. And यहाँ पर फुल मून है, आज फुल मून है और मून की भी ब्यूटी फीकी लग रही है इस अद्वितीय मंदिर के सामने। एनीवेज चलते हैं अपने होटल रूम में।
Yeah, this is my hotel room. It's really nice. I really liked it. And the view from here, that's really unexpected. Let me quickly show you. Neem Karoli Baba Ashram. Wow. What a magnificent view from here. We'll explore it tomorrow. Anyways, let me just quickly show you the whole room. So yeah, and yeah, one more thing. It's over 1 a.m. right now. Today it's my birthday. I totally forgot in this whole excitement of visiting this place. The goosebumps and all that made me forget even my birthday. So, a very, very happy birthday to me. Anyways, it's time to sleep. So, we'll meet you tomorrow morning. Bye. Good night. Hello. So, it's over 12 in the noon and I just woke up an hour ago. I quickly brushed my teeth, took a shower, and I'm ready to go for darshan. I intentionally woke up so late because from last 2 nights I have been sleeping for less than 4 hours and not had proper sleep, so that's why I slept a lot last night. So yeah, it's my 21st birthday and today I'll be going for darshan in Kaisi Dham. Let me just quickly show you the view. So yeah, here it is. Uh, there's a lot of crowd over there or gathering for darshan, right? So yeah, the view is quite magnificent. I really liked it and I'm going there now. And yeah, one more thing, the most important question, what I am doing here today on my birthday, why I am here. So basically, I read a lot about Sir Steve Jobs and I came to know that in his early 20s, he visited this place and he was here for over 6 months. He was in the ashram itself and I got curious about what, about solely what purpose he was here and what he learned here, and that was basically the basis, the foundation on which the tech giant Apple was built, the $3 trillion company, the most valuable company on earth with the most loyal customers. It just blows up my mind. That's why I am here. I am very, very curious about visiting this temple and this holy temple. Not only Sir Steve Jobs, but also Mr. Zuckerberg, when he was visionless. He wanted to sell Facebook. He visited here. Also, Mr. Larry Brilliant, also American teacher and author Sri Ram Dass, and as well as the American vocalist Sri Krishna Das visited here, and that just left me curious about this place, and that's why I'm here. So let's go and explore this place, and I won't take the camera inside the temple for obvious reasons. So that's pretty much it from my side. So let's go and explore. Jai Shri Ram. So yeah, I brought some pizza and some drinks for myself. Here is the pizza. Yeah, this is the pizza. This one over here. And one more thing, I asked the shop owner there if I could get a cake nearby, and he answered that even the closest I can get a cake here is 10 kilometers, so probably I am not gonna cut any cake today. So yeah, here is the pizza. Let's quickly take an overlook of it. Yeah. Oh, ठीक है, edible at least. Anyway, काम चल जाएगा.
Oh, look what's there. There's a coconut, right? It's subjected to lots of force by water. Still, its displacement is zero. Why is it so? Let me know in the comments.
Just woke up. I slept for almost 2 hours, and now I'm gonna show you the surroundings over here in Kanchi Dham. I already visited the temple, but camera isn't allowed, so I will just show you the surroundings now. So let's go. First of all, let me show you the view from here itself. Just look at the beauty of Kanchi Dham. Wonderful. There's the ashram.
Where one can stay if he or she has special permission by authority here, like Mr. Zuckerberg stayed there when he visited this place.
The gathering is little bit lower now because it's time to close the temple.
And then I went to a local restaurant over here and just look at the menu. It's quite overpriced. I don't think कि कोई इंसान तीर्थ यात्रा पर यहाँ आया है और वो इतना ज़्यादा स्पेंड करे सिर्फ फूड पर. Is this even legit?
Hello everyone, it's almost 6:30 a.m. and मेरी ट्रेन 8:45 a.m. की है. I just took a shower और 7 बजे तक मेरी कैब आएगी. तब तक मैं आपको यहाँ कैंची धाम का जो भी सराउंडिंग्स है, आसपास का एरिया सब कुछ दिखाऊंगा. बट सबसे पहले लेट्स हैव सम प्रसाद. हियर इट इज. जय महाराज जी.
अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा शांति है यहाँ पर, कोई भीड़ भाड़ नहीं है. मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्यों ना फिर से एक बार दर्शन कर ही लेता हूँ. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू से गुड बाय टू दिस रूम एज वेल, जिसने मुझे अकोमोडेट किया इस जर्नी के दौरान. थैंक यू. विल मीट यू अगेन. एंड नाउ वी आर इन कैब एंड हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स काठगोदाम. And finally, we are inside the train and heading towards Old Delhi. Oh, look what's there. This is the view from window. It looks something like a giant boat or something like ship. Anyways, if anyone knows, then let me know in the comments. And finally, we are in Delhi. Don't judge my face. I know it's awful because मैंने जनरल डिब्बा बुक करा था. Anyways, now we are in metro and heading towards Faridabad at my cousin's place for a stay over. So we'll meet you tomorrow. So today it's 15th of August. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It just looks so awesome to me. यहाँ पर हर किसी ने, हर ऑटो वाले ने अपने ऑटो पर एक फ्लैग लगा रखा है. एनीवेज, नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू दिल्ली फ्रॉम फरीदाबाद. मेरी फ़्लाइट 4:45 PM की है. सो अपन दिल्ली में IGI एयरपोर्ट जाएंगे. So we have arrived at the airport, so let's go inside. So I was just walking here and there inside the airport when I found this room, outside of which it was written prayer room for all faiths. So I just entered this room and have a look. I thought यहाँ पर कुछ पेंटिंग्स होंगी, कुछ मूर्तियाँ होंगी, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Anyways, I ordered some food for dinner and later हमारी बस आ गई and now we are heading towards our plane. So let's go. And there's the plane.
Hello, so I am back after a long while, and this is the conclusion video in which I will basically talk about the things I learned from this trip. So my first learning from this trip is I learned that I literally know nothing about myself nor this world in general. When I don't know about myself, how can I learn about this world? So I have to learn. In order to learn about oneself, one should do solo traveling. This way, he or she will learn a lot about themselves. This is probably the best way to learn about yourselves. And my third learning from this trip is, in order to achieve the ultimate grace of Maharaj Ji, one should be really hardworking. One should be passionate about their work. And so what do I mean by hard work? Hard work doesn't mean working in any random direction or working on any task we are assigned. This is what we do in general. That isn't counted as hard work. Hard work means working on things you are really passionate about, and the things you think are great, and working on them. Working and giving your 100% to it. That's really counted as hard work. And in the process of doing so, when you dedicate yourself into it, in the process of immersing yourself, you achieve the ultimate grace, and that's the way. So that's pretty much it from my first video. That's all I wanted to say. Hope you liked it, and thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, take care.